Every sip of soda delivers sugar, but the drinks found throughout the Bible offered something completely different. They refreshed weary travelers, nourished growing families, and became part of everyday life for generations. Many are still enjoyed today, while modern science continues exploring the natural compounds that made them so valuable. Before we begin our countdown of 13 biblical drinks, tell us where you're watching from. The number one drink isn't the sweetest, but it may be the most important of them all. Number 13. Tamarind drink. Sugary soft drinks became common. People across the ancient Near East refreshed themselves with tamarind drink. The sticky pulp from ripe tamarind pods was mixed with cool water to create a naturally sweet and tangy beverage that helped travelers and workers stay refreshed during the region's intense heat. While tamarind isn't directly named in the Bible, it was well known throughout the surrounding lands and traded across ancient routes that connected many biblical civilizations. Modern nutrition helps explain why this traditional drink has remained popular for thousands of years. Tamarind naturally contains vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and beneficial plant compounds called polyphenols, which researchers continue studying for their antioxidant properties. It also provides natural organic acids that give the drink its refreshing flavor, without relying on artificial ingredients or refined sugars. For generations, tamarind drink proved that nature could provide refreshment with simple ingredients. Yet the next biblical beverage became an even greater source of nourishment, supplying families with protein, calcium, and daily strength throughout the lands of Scripture. Number 12. Goat's milk. Throughout biblical times, goat's milk was one of the most dependable drinks a family could have. Goats were easier to raise than cattle in the rocky hills of Israel, making fresh milk available even in difficult environments. Proverbs 27:27 even highlights goat's milk as an important source of nourishment for the household, showing how valuable it was in everyday life. Today, goat's milk remains a nutritious drink packed with high-quality protein, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and vitamin B12. These nutrients help support healthy bones, muscles, and normal body function. Some people also find goat's milk easier to digest than cow's milk because its fat structure and protein composition differ slightly, although individual experiences vary. For biblical families, goat's milk wasn't considered a luxury. It was a reliable source of daily nutrition that sustained both children and adults alike. But another drink, made from one of the Bible's most celebrated fruits, became a refreshing favorite during harvest season. Number 11. Fresh grape juice. Long before bottled beverages filled grocery store shelves, fresh grape juice offered a naturally sweet and refreshing drink. During harvest season, ripe grapes were pressed to produce juice that could be enjoyed immediately, bringing welcome refreshment after long days working beneath the hot Middle Eastern sun. Grapes were already treasured throughout Scripture, making their fresh juice a familiar part of everyday life. Modern nutrition shows that pure grape juice contains vitamin C, potassium, and natural plant compounds called polyphenols, including resveratrol and flavonoids. Researchers continue studying these antioxidants because they may help support heart health and protect cells from oxidative stress. While grape juice naturally contains fruit sugars, enjoying it in moderation allows you to benefit from many of its valuable nutrients. Fresh grape juice reminded biblical families that nature often provides sweetness without artificial ingredients. Still, the next drink became so common around ancient tables that many people today completely misunderstand how it was traditionally consumed. Number 10. Diluted wine. One of the most misunderstood drinks in the Bible is diluted wine. In biblical times, wine was commonly mixed with water before it was served. This practice helped improve the taste of stored water and reduce the strength of the beverage, making it suitable for daily meals rather than heavy intoxication. It became a familiar part of family tables, celebrations, and religious gatherings throughout ancient Israel. Modern research suggests that moderate consumption of grape-derived beverages contains natural compounds like resveratrol and flavonoids, which are being studied for their potential role in supporting heart health. However, health experts agree that alcohol isn't necessary for good health. and excessive drinking carries serious risks. The true lesson from biblical times is one of moderation, not excess. The ancient world valued balance in everyday living, yet the next drink contained no alcohol at all and was treasured for its rich color, refreshing taste, and remarkable nutritional value. Number 9. Pomegranate juice. Throughout the Bible, the pomegranate symbolized abundance, beauty, and God's blessings. When its ruby-red seeds were pressed, they produced a refreshing juice enjoyed in the ancient Middle East for generations. Its naturally sweet yet slightly tart flavor made it a welcome drink during warm days and festive occasions alike. Today, pomegranate juice is one of the most researched fruit beverages in the world. It's naturally rich in vitamin C, potassium, and powerful antioxidants called punicalagins and anthocyanins. Scientists continue studying these compounds because they may help support heart health, healthy blood vessels, and protect cells from oxidative stress. While it's not a miracle drink, its impressive nutritional profile explains why it continues to earn attention today. The pomegranate refreshed the body with every sip. But another biblical drink offered something even simpler, a natural source of energy that travelers carried across deserts long before sports drinks ever existed. Number 8. Honey water. Long before energy drinks promised instant performance, people discovered the simple power of honey mixed with water. Honey was one of the Bible's most treasured foods, often symbolizing God's provision and the abundance of the promised land. Mixed with cool water, it created a naturally sweet drink that could quickly refresh tired workers and weary travelers. Modern science helps explain why this combination was so practical. Honey contains natural sugars like glucose and fructose that provide quick energy, along with small amounts of antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds. When combined with water, it also helps replace fluids lost through heat and physical activity. Although honey should still be enjoyed in moderation, it remains a far more natural choice than many highly processed sugary beverages. Honey water gave ancient people a simple boost when they needed it most. Yet the next biblical drink came from a humble tree whose nourishing gift has quietly supported people for thousands of years. Number 7. Date drink. In the dry landscapes of the biblical world, dates were far more than a sweet treat. When soaked in water or gently blended, they created a naturally sweet drink that provided quick nourishment during long journeys and exhausting days under the desert sun. Date palms flourished where many other crops struggled, making them one of the most dependable gifts of the ancient Middle East. Modern nutrition explains why dates were so highly valued. They're naturally rich in potassium, magnesium, fiber, and antioxidants. Their natural sugars provide a steady source of energy, while important minerals help support normal muscle function and hydration. Unlike many modern soft drinks loaded with refined sugar, date-based drinks also deliver valuable nutrients along with their sweetness. The date palm helped people survive some of the harshest environments on Earth. But another biblical drink came from a fruit so familiar that most people never imagined turning it into a refreshing beverage. Number 6. Fig drink. The fig appears throughout the Bible as a symbol of peace, security, and abundance. While fresh and dried figs were common foods, they were also soaked or simmered in water to create a naturally sweet drink that provided nourishment during harvest season and colder months. It was a simple way to enjoy the fruit while making the most of every precious crop. Today, figs are known for their fiber, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and beneficial antioxidants. When prepared as a light fruit infusion, they release natural sweetness along with small amounts of vitamins and minerals into the liquid. While the drink isn't as nutrient-dense as eating the whole fruit, it still reflects the biblical tradition of using every part of the harvest wisely. The humble fig reminded ancient families that nature often provides exactly what the body needs. Yet, the next drink came from a grain that fed entire civilizations long before supermarkets and processed beverages ever existed. Number 5. Barley water. For thousands of years, barley was one of the Bible's most important grains. It fed families, supported armies, and became a symbol of God's provision during harvest time. But barley wasn't used only for bread. Ancient people also boiled the grain in water, creating a light, refreshing drink that helped keep them hydrated while making use of one of their most valuable crops. Modern research shows that barley contains important nutrients like magnesium, selenium, and B vitamins. When prepared as barley water, some of its beneficial compounds dissolve into the liquid, creating a drink that has been enjoyed in many cultures for centuries. Whole barley is also rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber studied for its role in supporting heart health and healthy cholesterol levels. Barley water proved that even the simplest ingredients could become nourishing drinks. But the final biblical beverage wasn't remembered because of its nutrition alone. It carried a message of cleansing, healing, and hope that has echoed through Scripture for thousands of years. Number 4. Hyssop infusion. Unlike the other drinks on this list, hyssop wasn't valued for its sweetness. This fragrant biblical herb became closely associated with cleansing, purification, and healing throughout Scripture. Its leaves were steeped in hot water to create an herbal infusion that people traditionally enjoyed for comfort and wellness, especially during cooler seasons. Modern scientists have identified essential oils and plant compounds in hyssop that show antioxidant and antimicrobial activity in laboratory studies. Traditional herbal medicine has long used hyssop to soothe sore throats and support respiratory comfort, although more human research is needed before making strong health claims. As with any medicinal herb, it should be used with care, especially by pregnant women or people with certain medical conditions. Hyssop reminds us that biblical drinks weren't chosen only for flavor. They often reflected deeper lessons about healing, renewal, and caring for the body. And the number 1 drink on this list carries that message more powerfully than any other. Number 3. Almond milk. Although almond milk has become popular only in recent years, beverages made from ground almonds mixed with water have been enjoyed for centuries throughout the Middle East and surrounding regions. Almond trees are mentioned several times in the Bible, symbolizing watchfulness, hope, and new beginnings. Their nutritious seeds were highly valued, and when crushed into a smooth drink, they provided a rich source of nourishment that stored well without refrigeration. Modern nutrition shows why almond-based drinks continue to attract attention. Almonds are naturally rich in vitamin E, magnesium, healthy fats, and antioxidants that support heart health and help protect cells from oxidative stress. Homemade almond milk also contains no cholesterol and can be a refreshing alternative for people who avoid dairy, although its protein content is lower unless fortified. The almond proved that some of nature's greatest gifts come in surprisingly small packages. But the next biblical drink carried a message far greater than physical nourishment alone. Number 2. Living water. More than any other beverage mentioned in Scripture, living water carries the deepest meaning. In biblical times, living water referred to fresh, flowing water from springs and streams rather than stagnant pools. It was cleaner, safer, and far more valuable in a land where every drop mattered. That's why access to living water often meant the difference between life and death. Jesus later used this powerful image to teach an even greater lesson. In John 4, he described himself as the source of living water, offering spiritual renewal that satisfies far beyond physical thirst. While clean water remains essential for every cell in your body, this biblical symbol reminds us that true restoration involves both physical health and spiritual well-being. Flowing water sustained ancient communities every single day. Yet one final drink stands above every other on this list, because without it, none of the others could exist. Number 1. Pure water. At the top of our list is the simplest drink of all, pure water. It may seem ordinary, but nothing else on earth is more essential to life. From the opening pages of Genesis to the closing chapters of Revelation, water represents life, cleansing, blessing, and God's faithful provision. Every biblical drink we've explored today ultimately begins with this priceless gift. Modern science fully supports what ancient people already knew. Water regulates body temperature, transports nutrients, cushions joints, supports digestion, removes waste, and keeps every organ functioning properly. Your body cannot survive more than a few days without it, making water the true foundation of health. Perhaps that's the greatest lesson these 13 biblical drinks leave behind. The healthiest beverages weren't created in factories or filled with artificial flavors. They came from God's creation, reminding us that sometimes the simplest choices remain the most powerful. If one of these biblical drinks surprised you, let us know which one in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more forgotten food documentaries, and share it with someone who enjoys history, scripture, and natural health. Until next time, keep discovering the timeless wisdom hidden in God's creation.